1 minute mug cake is perfect for cake lover and for kids. So let's get started. So here I have taken 3 tablespoons flour, and now I will be adding 3 tablespoons powdered sugar, and now add 1 tablespoon dark cocoa powder, and now I will be adding 1/16 pinch of baking powder and half pinch baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients together and make sure there is no lump left. And now let's go towards the wet ingredients. So here I have taken 1 tablespoon milk and 1 tablespoon ghee. I'm making this for my kid, so I have used ghee. Add 1.5 tablespoon cream, and now add 2 to 3 drops of vinegar and 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. And now again I added 1 tablespoon milk and mixed everything together to make a smooth batter. And now I can see my batter is little thick, so I have added 1 more tablespoon of milk. And batter is ready. Sprinkle some cocoa chips over it and microwave for 1 minute. And your cake is ready. And same way we will be starting with vanilla cake. Same ingredients. Here again I have taken 3 tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. And I will be adding 1.5 pinch of 1/16 pinch of baking powder and half pinch baking soda. Mix all the dry ingredients together. And now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of milk and 1.5 tablespoons of cream. If you need any other flavor of the cake, here you can add any other flavor like shredded carrot, or you can put any almonds, walnuts, anything. And I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix everything together and gonna microwave again for 1 minute. And my both mug cakes are ready, chocolate flavor and vanilla flavor. Check your cakes with toothpick. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Let them cool down and enjoy with your family. And see, it tastes so good and so soft. You will love the flavor. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.